أستغفر الله من الخطايا. أستغفر الله رب البرايا. 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 أستغفر الله من الخطايا. Alhamdulillah. Now we will proceed to selawat recitation. Okay.
Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
Sallallahu
Alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ya Nabi salam alaika. Ya Rasul salam alaika. Ya Habib salam alaika. Salawatullah alaika. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Asyraqal badru alaina. Fahtafat minhu buduru. Mithla husnika ma ra'ayna. Qaddu ya wajha sururi. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. شمس
Jupi.
أنت بدر أنت نور
Buka kamera.
فوق نوري أنت إكسير وغالي أنت مصباح الصدور صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم يا حبيبي يا محمد يا عروس الفريقين يا مؤيد يا ممجد يا إمام القبلتين صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم
Alhamdulillahi Alamin Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Okay. Thank you so much for recitation salawat and also zikir, istighfar. So I want you to unmute yourself and Zubair Amsha, please greet me. Give salam to me now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teacher Syahira.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teacher Syahira.
Okay. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much. Now I want you to recite doa before we start class. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wanshur. Kenapa teacher je baca? Why I'm the only one who recite the doa? Allahumma ftah
Alaina hikmataka wansyur alaina
min rahmatika Rabbi sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin, amin, ya rabbal alamin. Alright, thank you so much. Okay. Sekejap, teacher nak admit your friends first. Muaz, mana Muaz punya nama ni?
Sekejap saya nak buka kamera.
Alright, now for those who did not open your camera, please open your camera now before I consider your attendance as 0. Thank you. Okay, today class, before I proceed to the new topic, still remember what we learned last week? What is the topic we learned last week? Minggu lepas, what topic we learned? Apa kita belajar minggu lepas?
Even and odd.
Very good. Even and odd number. Good job. And the other one, number pair?
Number
Pattern. Very good. Good job. Okay, before I start my class, I want to ask you about the hadith we learned tonight. This week, what are the hadith we learned today? Siapa masih ingat lagi?
Mentioning the
Very good. Mentioning Allah's name. What are the lessons that we Very good. What are the lessons that we learn? Apa lesson yang kita dapat from the hadith? First,
Bismillah number
okay, very good. We have to recite and say Bismillah before doing anything. Apa saja awak nak buat, you have to say Bismillah. If you want to eat, you have to say Bismillah. If you want to play your phone, you have to say Bismillah. If you want to enter your house, you have to say Bismillah. Alright? Second,
Eat
Yes, eat
with
with our...
right.
Yes, very
Right
good, Ahmad
hand.
Muntazar. We have to eat with our own hand, right, not left. Kita tak boleh makan dengan tangan kiri. It's not nice. It's not appropriate for you to do it. We have to use our right hand to eat. Okay. Next, what else?
12.
Makan
The food that is near to you or in front of you.
Yes, very good. You have to take the dishes that is nearest to you, that is in front of you first. Alright, very good. Alhamdulillah. So you do remember the hadith. Now I will proceed the lesson, right? So if you want to say something, you can unmute yourself. If you don't want to say anything, unmute yourself. Thank you so much. Alright, so I will share to you the slide now. Today, we are going to learn about estimation. Estimation. What is estimation? Estimation that something involve guessing, predict. Something yang awak predict, something yang awak guess. Benda yang awak agak-agaknya mungkin. That is the word. Probably, I'm guessing the word estimate, maybe. That is the key word for estimation. Okay, look at the first slide I'm showing you here.
Isha nak
Okay.
kena ambil buku teks ke?
No need. I don't ask you to take your book. Just refer to my slide only. Thank you, Ilham. Okay, so look at the slide here. You don't have to take your book. Try to guess the number of water balls in jar B. Okay, you can see here there are only 2 jars. Ada 2 jar kat sini. The first one is jar A and the second one is jar B. You can see here jar A contains 20,000. How I know 20,000? It's mentioned here. Dah ada tulis kat sini. Jar A is 20,000. How about jar B? Okay. I don't want the exact number. I just want you to guess. Estimation is about guessing. Awak kena teka. Okay, Ahmad Muntazar, you can unmute yourself, please. Thank you. Okay, you can just unmute yourself. Okay, what is your answer? What do you think? What is the...
10,000.
How do you know it's 1,000?
Saya rasa macam teacher.
20,000.
Maybe
Okay, one by one. Okay, one by one. Ilham, wait first. Ahmad Muntazar, what do you think it is 10,000?
Because jar B
Yes.
half.
Yes, very good. That is the word I want to say. Okay, when you look at the picture, you can conclude here B is half from A. Half maksudnya separuh. Dia separuh. Half from A. So when A is 20,000, so B is most probably. Siapa yang duk cakap ni? Okay, most probably we just guessing it 10,000 balls. Okay. Next.
Saya teacher.
Yeah, Ilham, what do you want to say?
Never mind. The teacher dah
Nothing.
pergi dah
Okay.
tempat lain.
These 3 people estimated the number of water balls above. Whose estimation is the most accurate? Mana satu awak rasa most accurate according to the questions?
V0.
V0. So V0 say 10,005, right? Okay. So this is the correct one, the accurate one, because of the, when we look at here, it's half, separuh. Okay, I want you to bear in mind that estimation is something that you predict, you guess. Awak teka saja. Okay? Mungkin salah, mungkin betul. Tapi bila kita tengok, when we look at the picture again, it is definitely half. Because we can see here, it is half. And if you're afraid to tell the amount, contohnya teacher, I'm afraid to tell amount because I don't know the amount. You cannot count this thing, right? So you can just say, jar B is less than 20,000. Can also, alright? You can say less than, or maybe probably is 10,000. Alright. So look at the second questions. Okay, this is the question. Why do you think estimation is used for? Okay, ini 2 benda yang teacher fikir. Kenapa kita kena estimate? Why? First, biasanya kita guna cooking. If you want to cook, can you put a lot of ingredient inside the pan? or inside the oven or inside the thing, bolehkah awak letak semua? Contoh if let's say you want to cook dishes untuk ayam, chicken, awak boleh letak 10 ekor inside the pan ke? Can? Can or cannot? I'm asking you now. Can or cannot? Can we put 100 chickens inside the pan and cook? Boleh ke? Tak boleh. So that's why you have to estimate. Awak kena agak-agak. You have to count. You have to guess. Berapa orang makan? 3 people. So maybe one seekor it's enough. Macam tu. That's why we are using estimation. And the second one, estimating the expenses before spending. For example, you have 100. Can you buy a car with 100? Can you buy a house with 100?
No.
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 Can you buy a pencil with 100?
Yes.
Yes.
So, meaning to say you have to estimate expenses before you spend. For example, you have 100. So, you have to estimate what things I can buy. What things that I can buy. Takkan you nak pergi kedai, I want to buy a car. Tesla for example, I have 100. Nanti orang kedai tu gelak you. Are you crazy? 100 nak beli apa? Handphone pun tak lepas 100, right? So you have to estimate expenses before spending.
Nokia 100 boleh?
100 beli handphone apa? Mainan.
Nokia zaman dulu punya.
Nokia zaman dulu punya 300 lah. That's severe already. 300, you know, 300 or 400, it's very expensive. Nokia yang tekan tu. Tak dapat 100, okay? Alright, so I want to ask you these questions. The volume of water in pool R and pool T is less than the volume of water in pool S. The height of pool S is almost 4 times the height of pool R. The height of pool T is about double the height of pool R. So I want you to estimate what is the volume of water in pool S and pool T. I give you 2 minutes to do it now, faster.
Teacher, saya dah tahu.
Tahu dah
Saya
teacher.
rasa
Okay, one by one. Okay.
Teacher nak kena tulis dalam buku coklat ke?
Ya Allah, teacher dia suruh tulis ke Ilham?
Tak.
Dah tu yang awak tanya soalan tu kenapa? Teacher tanya soalan.
Sebab
Okay. I'm asking you randomly. I don't ask you to take a book pun. Okay, Ilham, you want to answer this question or not? Tak nak?
teacher saya nak jawab.
Teacher
Nak
nak
siapa tu? Who is that?
Saya nak jawab je.
Saya tu siapa?
Zulfi.
Zulfi. Okay, Muntazah wait first Kita bagi Izri Zulfi. Okay, Izri Zulfi, can you answer my question? What are the volume of water in pool T first? S first, S.
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 S saya tak tahu sangat tapi T saya tahu.
T apa? Tell
T
me.
saya rasa 8,000 liter.
How do you know it's 8,000 liter?
Tak tahu.
Macam mana awak tahu? Tiba-tiba kau tiba-tiba awak guess 8,000. Izri Zulfi, faster. Kenapa awak rasa dia 8,000? Why you think it's 8,000 liter?
Saya tak tahulah.
Allah.
Teacher,
Saya rasa
10,000 liter.
Sebab saya rasa sebab pool tu lagi besar.
Okay. Boleh. Kita boleh terima. I can accept your answer. But that is not actually the correct explanation. Jawapan awak betul. Tapi sebenarnya explanation awak tu tak berapa jelas lah. Tak apa, correct. Okay, Ahmad Muntazar. What is the S? Volume of water.
S.
Berapa? Sudah. Muntazar, are you there? Kejap lah, yang lain tu kejap. Okay, Muntazar, think first. Fikir dulu. Muiz, what is the answer here, do you think?
16,000.
16,000. Why you say is 16,000? 16,000, why?
Sebab yang tu dia cakap
The height of pool S is almost 4 times the height of pool R.
Very good. Excellent. That is the correct explanation. Okay. Dia bagi tahu kat sini, the height, you need to just read. The height of pool S is almost 4 times. So dah harap je 4 kat sini. So you can get the answer. Why? Well, the height of pool T is double. Double awak darab 2. Okay, Izri punya jawapan 8,000 tadi betul. It's correct. But the explanation is not that correct. Okay. Sebab kat sini tulis double. So of course lah, it's 4,000 plus 2, it become 8,000. Okay, we check the answer. Is it correct? Very good. Excellent. Okay, now, next question. Okay, I want to test yourself. Okay, how about A? I want Ilham to answer the question A. Ilham,
Yes.
the number of bits in container A, what do you think? Berapa awak rasa? Awak just estimate je.
Okay.
Okay. What do you think?
I think it's about saya nak ambil pencil. Saya nak
Can. The rest you can take pencil and eraser also. You can just count and calculate by yourself.
Dia
Then I
nampak
will ask you.
macam sekejap. Okay.
It's okay, Ilham. Take your time. Later I will ask Shamil pula. Shamil, get ready for these questions. Yes, Ilham?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah.
I think it's either 8 or 9,000 beats.
Okay, 8,000 or 9,000 bits. For A, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, for B?
For B. For B.
For this one?
For B.
4,000.
Minus
4,000? Who said that?
4,000. Teacher, 4,000 atau 3,000 beats.
Okay, 4,000 or 3,000. Okay, thank you Ilham for your answer. Now I will move on to another person. Who wants to answer this question? Shamil. I want to ask Shamil. Shamil, one Muhammad Shamil. Okay, what do you think the A's answer?
Kata nama. Kau kata nama kan? Kata nama. Puah. Damel.
Shamil, what are you doing? Are you thinking? Oh, fikir. Okay. What do you think? What is the answer for A? What do you think? Awak rasa A ni berapa? Awak rasa just estimate. Awak agak-agak je, just guessing.
Yang mana satu teacher? Sebab
Yang teacher buat bulat ni.
Oh.
What is the answer? What do you think? Tidur dah Syamil. Assalamualaikum. What are you doing?
10,000.
Teacher.
10,000. Okay, you say it's 10,000, 10,000. Alright. How about B, Syamil? B. Yang lain nanti teacher panggil. I will call one by one. Wait first.
5,000.
Syamil, what is B?
5,000.
Just estimate. Agak-agak je. What do you think?
5,000.
5,000. Okay, alright. Janganlah marah. I'm just asking you. Alright. Yelah, I cannot hear. That's why I'm asking you a loud. Okay, Syamil, mute yourself. I will call Muhammad Tariq. Your answer for A. Oh, Muhammad Al-Faiz Arik. Unmute yourself, please. Faiz, ya Allah, boleh lari pula dah. Are you listening to me? Faiz Arik, oi. Astaghfirullahalazim. Orang lain yang angkat tangan ni. Izri, what is the answer, Izri?
1,000.
Tak dengar
Saya
lah.
rasa yang tu 5,000.
5,000 B ke?
5,000 ml.
Kalau A?
Kalau A,
If A?
saya rasa kalau A, B, 11,000 lah.
11,000. Okay, it's okay, never mind. Okay, we look again here. Can you mute all yourself first? Nanti teacher tanya Ahmad Mumtazah pula, okay? Alright, so look at here. This is 17,000. 17,000. When you look again to the picture, what do you think it is? Di half ke apa? Half kan? Betul kan? It's half, right?
Teacher nak check.
Yes, that's why. Okay, when it's half, awak boleh bahagi actually. So 7,000 bahagi divided by 2, you can get the answer. Okay, I want you to do now. 7,000 divided by 2. What is your answer? Now,
Teacher saya.
siapa saya tu?
Saya Muiz.
Okay, Muiz. What is the answer, Muiz?
8,500.
Yes, 8,500 for A. For B. Okay, for B. Who was? Siapa tahu B? B ni separuh daripada A. B is half from A. So, 8,500 you divide by 2.
Teacher saya tahu.
What is the answer? Teacher tak nak. Tak
Saya
nak.
tahu.
Sabar, Muiz sabar. Teacher nak Sofia Kashrina. Sofia Kashrina. 8,500 divide by 2. What is the answer? Sofia Kashrina. 8,500 divided by 2. What is the answer?
What again? Say it again.
Thank you.
I couldn't hear.
Yes, betul jawapan awak. Awak buat apa, Sofia? Kenapa awak tak dengar teacher cakap apa? What are you doing? Are you playing?
No.
You are, awak tekan apa dekat screen tu? Awak ingat teacher tak dengar ke? 8,500 divide by 2. Orang lain semua dah bagi jawapan. And you said that you didn't listen. You are doing something else, right? That's why you tak tahu. Anu dah bagi jawapan. Muiz dah bagi jawapan. What is the answer, Sofia Kashrina? 8,500 divided by 2. What is the answer? See? You are doing something else. What is the answer? Zeti, what is the answer, Zeti? 8,500 divided by 2. Are you doing it or not? You can unmute yourself, Zeti.
Huh?
8,500 divided by 2. What is the answer? Are you doing it or not? Zeti, ambil.
3,000.
Wih, bukan 3,000 lah. Kira betul-betul.
Teacher, 4,500 and
Bukan. 4,000 is
teacher,
correct.
4,250.
Yes.
4,000.
250.
200. Yes, very good. 4,250. Bukan 15 sayang, 50.
Teacher, internet connection
Very
is here.
Good job. Excellent. Okay, now, how about B? B. I want you to answer B. Ilham
Tahu?
Ilham Aufa. You can just unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
how about
teacher.
B?
B.
B. Anu, 5,000. Are you sure it's 5,000? Ni bukan half pun ni. This is not even half.
Okay. So that's 10,000.
This is 10,000. So what do you think it is?
Okay, I think it's like 7,000.
Okay, good job. 7,000 or maybe 8,000, right? So we check the answer. Okay. So this is the first explanation for question A. Tengok ni, teacher bagi tahu awak tadi. Okay, A is half from 17,000 bits. So teacher dah bagi explanation kat sini. As we can see, we estimate that A is half from 70,000 bits. So A is less than 70,000 bits and it is about 8,500, which is you get it correct. Very good, most of you. B is half from A. So as we can see, we estimate that B is half from A. So B is less than A and it is probably about 4,250. This is why I'm asking you to do 8,500 divided by 2 just now. This one, okay, Ilham Aufa said that, Anu pun said that, Muiz pun said that 7,000. Okay, Anu said 6,000. Okay, as we can see, C is less than 10,000 and probably about 8,000. Kalau you jawab 7,000 also correct. If you said 6,000 is also correct. Meaning that sebab this one is not even half. Okay, so it's more than half. Maybe dia boleh jadi 8,000, dia boleh jadi 7,000. It can be 6,000 also. Alright? Because it is estimation. Estimation tak ada yang salah, tak ada betul. Next questions. Kenapa pula gelap ni? Okay, let's do the exercise in your green book, page 23 and also 24. Okay, this green book, go take your green book now and send to page 23 and 24. Now. 23 and 24 now. Yes. Yang kat tangan ni you can just talk. Awak boleh unmute diri awak and cakap. Yes, anything? Yes, anything? Izri, Muiz, anything to say? Zubai Amsha, where are you?
Teacher, kalau yang nombor 2 ni kan, dia fully besar, yang kena jawab tu fully besar ke dia setengah ke macam mana?
Muiz, page berapa? 23 or 24?
3.
23, okay. This one this question tengok kat screen. This question ke? Number?
2.
Number
Teacher
2.
kan buat page
Okay.
berapa?
23, 24. 23, 24. Betul lah, 23, 24.
Teacher, saya dah siap.
Siapa dah siap tu? Teacher tak nampak pun.
Zulfi.
Zulfi.
Oh, Zulfi. Okay, lepas ni Zulfi check jawapan, okay?
Okay.
Teacher akan tunjukkan jawapan. Okay? Wait first. Sebab yang lain
Teacher,
baru nak buat ni.
saya dari hari Ahad lagi saya dah siap.
Baguslah lagi. Bagus macam tu. Macam tu lagi terbaik. Okay, kejap.
Tak, Zulfi dah habiskan semua page dalam buku ni ke ha?
Bukanlah semua page. Dia dah buat separuh lah. Page yang teacher suruh buat tu dia dah buat. Half. Okay, look at page 23. Okay, teacher dah bagi jawapan pula. Okay, now. Muiz tanya number 2. Number 2, Muiz. Cuba awak tengok pokok tu besar ke kecil? It's bigger or smaller? Besar. Okay. It's double size from the first one. It double size. So meaning when it's double, so you have to time by? Muiz, you have to time by? 2. So 400 times by 2. You can get the answer. I give you 5 minutes to do all the question and then we discuss. Zulfi. Zulfi tunggu nanti awak tanda sendiri buku awak because you already done.
Okay.
Alright, wait first. 2 minutes. I'm waiting for you 2 minutes to complete the questions now.
Teacher, kalau 6, nombor 6 page 23.
Number 6, 23. Dia half. Bahagi tu kecil, half. The first one is thicker, tebal. The second one is thinner, nipis. So you have to divide it by 2. 60 divided by 2, you can get the answer. Thank you.
Nombor 4.
Number 4. Okay, look at number 4. Number 4, yang 200 ni is quarter. Suku, quarter. So untuk sampai ke penuh ni, you have to time by 3. Tengok ni. Ni quarter.
Teacher tak faham page 4.
3, 2, 3.
Teacher.
So, sabar boleh tak seorang-seorang sayang? Oi. 100 times by 3. Okay, you can get the answer here. Okay, next. Apa lagi yang tak faham tadi?
Teacher, page 4.
Page 4? Mana dia teacher suruh buat page 4?
Page 24.
Page 24. Number berapa?
Teacher tak faham page 4.
Teacher tak suruh buat page 4. Siapa yang sebut page 4 ni dari tadi ni?
Page 24. 24.
Okay, Faiz Arik. Nombor berapa? 1 or 2?
1.
Okay, number 1.
Dua.
Tengok.
Dua-dua tak faham.
Okay, awak 23 dah buat belum? Faiz Arik.
Dah?
Tunggu
Saya dah.
Faiz Arik, wait first. Teacher nak bincang satu-satu. Wait first. After this, wait first. Tunggu dulu. Okay, finish or not? Page 23. Finish or not? Dah siap ke belum? Dah siap?
Saya tengah buat teacher.
Okay, cepat sikit. I want to discuss. Lepas ni kita nak buat page 24 pula. Your friends are waiting. Kawan awak tengah tunggu nak tanya soalan. Kejap Faiz Arik. Wait first. Yeah. Any questions?
Teacher kena buat apa page ni?
Okay, can I discuss page 23's answer?
Yes, saya memang buat.
Belum.
Belum. Sikit. I'm waiting for you.
Yes.
Teacher tunggu. Page 23 first. Siapkan page 23.
Teacher, macam mana buat?
Buat yang mana Syamil?
Yang ni.
Yelah nombor berapa?
Semua.
Semua number 1. Astaghfirullahalazim Syamil. Syamil, cuba tengok number 1. Question number 1. The first one is 50 kan? Okay, yang kedua tu kan penuh. Betul. Okay, Syamil rasa you estimate rasa ni berapa kat sini ni? Ini je dah suku ni, quarter. Ni quarter. Ni satu lagi quarter. Nak penuh. If you want to make it full, you have to times by. Untuk penuh, awak kena make sure sampai 3 kali. 1, 2, 3. Betul? So, 50 times by 3, you get the answer here. Easy. Try. Try dulu faster. Kak, teacher nak bincang.
Okay, teacher, saya dah siap 23 dengan 24.
Okay, Ilham. Can you wait first?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Finish kan 23 because I want to discuss ni.
Dah.
Okay.
Belum.
Apa yang belum tu lagi tu?
Teacher kena check ke?
Yelah, lepas ni teacher nak bagi jawapan terus. Boleh awak terus check. You can directly check.
Teacher, hari ni ada quizzes tak?
No. We just have to do exercise only. There is no quizzes on today. Alright. For those yang tak siap lagi, you can complete and continue at home slowly. If you don't understand, you can ask me later. Alright, I will discuss the answer here. Okay, this is the answer. Look at the question here. Tengok ni, teacher dah bagi soalan dan jawapan sekali. Untuk A1, 50 times by 3 because why I'm times dengan 3? Sebab apa teacher darab bagi dengan 3? It because ni quarter. So it requires estimation about 3 times untuk complete this one. This one is the double. The 3 is the double size from the 3. So you have to times by 2. This is half from the first page. So when half 8 divided by 2, you can get 4. This is also quarter, 20. So another one. So you have to times by 3. You get the answer. And then this one, it is double size from the first root. So you get 20 km. And the last one, this is thicker, this is thinner. Half from the size. So
Teacher, kalau 20 betul tak?
Again.
Kalau 20 dalam jawapan 6 tu betul tak? Sebab saya jawab 20.
Tak boleh. The answer is 30. Because it is half. 60 bahagi 2 bukan 20 sayang. 30. Teacher kalau salah buat apa? Pangkah lah awak betul kalau jawapan awak. By using your pen. You have red pen tak? Dani Izhafi. Awak ada red pen tak? Awak betul kan? Number 6, the answer will be 30 not 20.
Teacher, kalau betul.
Kalau betul right lah sayang. Okay.
Teacher,
Ya.
saya main buat je betul semua.
Wow. Saya membuat je betul semua. Bijak lah macam tu. You are genius.
Yang buat semua betul.
Tak ada padam pun.
Oh ya. Good lah. Kau awak tengok jawapan belakang.
Tak, kita mantau ada jawapan kat belakang ni.
Atau jawapan
Ada jawapan belakang. Teacher adalah jawapan dekat belakang.
Tengok tu. Tak acik lah tengok
Ayo,
jawapan.
teacher bagi tahu.
Itu apalah jawapan kat bawah tu?
Eventually you will know.
Tengok kan
There's the answer
teacher sabut.
behind.
Teacher nak saya koyakkan tak jawapan
tak
ni?
nampak.
If you feel kalau awak nak rasa jujur, baik awak buang jawapan tu, awak simpan dekat tempat lain. You just use it for reference. Tapi kalau awak ikut jawapan tu bulat-bulat and
Teacher.
you tak belajar pula. Ya, apa dia? Yes.
Teacher nak tak saya koyakkan ni?
Boleh juga.
Saya koyakkan
Tapi
ni tak?
make sure jangan hilang the answer so that you can refer to the answer.
Okay, saya nak koyakkan.
Hmm.
Okay, tak susah nak
Next
koyakkan.
question. Okay, you can do this. For Faiz Arik, awak tanya teacher kan? Teacher, nombor 1 ni nak buat macam mana? Nombor 2 nak buat macam mana? Okay, look at the question Faiz Arik. Dia bagi tahu panjang P, the length of the P is 60. Dan dia bagi tahu the length, aduh. Muaz baru nak masuk. Kenapa Muaz baru nak masuk ni? Bukan tadi dia dah masuk ke? Okay. Panjang Q lebih panjang daripada P. Okay. So cuba awak estimate. How is the length? Berapa panjang sebenarnya? Cuba awak tengok.
Terus mana terus kat mana teacher?
2, 3. Panjang dia estimation dalam 3 lah. 3 lebih. So what you have to do is 60. Aduh. 65 times by 3. You can get here what is the answer? 15, 1 here, 6 times 8. 6 times 3 become 18, 19. This is not yet the answer Di baru cm. The question asks you to estimate in meter. So, jadi awak kena convert the question, the answer 195 cm to meter. So, what you're going to do is 1 meter equal to how many cm? Who knows? 1 meter bersamaan dengan berapa cm?
100 cm.
Very good. 100 cm. 100 cm, centimeter. So, you have to bahagi, divide by 100. 1, 2, titik. 1, 2, titik. So, the answer is 1.95 meter. Okay, for those yang tak tahu, you can just write my answer in your book. Awak boleh tulis jawapan yang teacher tulis kat sini inside your book now. Tulis. And then we will discuss number question 2.
Teacher, saya jawab lain.
Awak jawab apa?
Saya jawab macam, sekejap.
Sekejap.
Okay, saya jawab macam ni. Saya jawab the estimated length in m of rope Q is 260 cm.
Salah sayang. Kenapa awak jawab macam tu? Awak kata dia half ke? Awak
Macam-
estimate dia half ke?
Tak, saya macam darab.
Darab dengan berapa?
Darab dengan 4.
Kenapa awak darab dengan 4? 4 banyak sangat. Dia 3 je sebenarnya. 3 je. 1, 2, 3. Dah cukup. Kalau 4 banyak sangat. Tak sesuai. Dia sampai sini.
Teacher.
So 3. This is the correct answer.
Teacher.
Saya macam tulis je. Nak saya kena tulis macam tu ke teacher?
This is the answer. Kalau awak tulis jawapan awak tu, jawapan awak totally wrong. Kosong. Awak kena tulis jawapan yang betul lah. Nanti awak salah faham pula.
Teacher. LM.
Yes. Any questions?
Yang LM tu apa? Apa tak?
Mana LM? Ni CM saya. Oi. 1 meter equal to 100 cm. Apa ya LM?
Itu 10 cm kan teacher? 100 cm.
1 meter equals to 100 cm. Teacher tulis 100 cm kat sini. Teacher tulis 100 cm. Tapi teacher tulis guna mouse ni. So dia punya handwriting tu tak cantik lah sikit. 100 cm. Bukan
Kenapa
LM.
Teacher tak guna teks.
Tak payahlah susah. Sebab dia involve number. Payah.
Adalah nombor.
Susah. Banyak songeh lah awak ni Ilham. Tulis je lah.
Yeah.
Ayah.
Go.
Bye, Samir.
Nombor 2 ni.
Nombor 1 dah buat belum? Siap dah?
Saya dah siap dah nombor 1.
Alright. For number 2, look at here. Teacher tanya ni The diagram below shows 3 containers which contain water. Okay, K is the highest volume lah. L ni half daripada K. M ni half daripada L.
Which is quarter. Quarter daripada K.
Okay. M is not quarter daripada K. Listen to my instruction. Ilham, jangan pandai-pandai. L is half from K. Tapi M is half from L. Dia bukannya quarter daripada K. Nanti dah awak dapat jawapan yang lain nanti. Remember carefully. K dia bagi tahu kat sini 1,500 liter. Alright. Sekejap. Teacher nak admit Faiz Arik ni dia tak terkeluar balik dah.
Ayo.
Alright. L is half from K. So 1/2 times 1,400, it will be 700, right? Betul?
Saya divide.
L, ya Allah sama je Ilham. 1,400 divide by 2 sama lah jawapan dia. Ya Allah pening aku budak ni.
Okay.
Okay Fat, 700 liter ml kat sini. ml, this is also ml. 1,400 bahagi 2 awak akan dapat sama saja. Teacher hanya guna equation yang berbeza saja, but the operation will be the same. Sama saja. Apa yang awak complicatednya.
Tak ada apa-apa complicated.
Awak tu yang complicated. What happened? Sama je. Okay.
Yang ke tepi ni jawapan ke?
M is half from L. Jadi M ni half daripada L bukannya quarter daripada K. Salah. Dia half daripada L. Half, separuh daripada L. Jangan awak pergi sebut pula M ni quarter daripada K. No, salah. So M is half daripada L. 700. Or awak boleh buat M is 700 bahagi divide by 2. You can get the answer. The answer is 350 ml. Okay? So the answer is, what is the estimated volume of water in ml in container M? So M is 350 ml. Okay, finish. Done? Boleh?
Dah.
Dah salin?
Dah.
Okay. Pastikan siap. Awak nak buat macam ni. If you can do like this also can. If you want to do like this also can. It's the same thing only. Sama saja. Okay, alright. Finish? Pak Isari dah salin?
Belum, Cik.
Ayo.
Teacher Zubair raise hand.
Teacher dah.
Ya, yang dah tunggu. Wait first. Ada lagi yang belum siap. Salin dulu soalan. Jawapan. Salin jawapan dulu.
Teacher siap.
Ya, kejap. Yang dah siap tunggu. Yang belakang-belakang yang tak erti buka kamera ni, teacher tak tahulah awak siap ke,
Teacher.
main ke, macam Sofia tadi.
Teacher.
Ya, apa dia tu?
Oh, teacher.
Ya, apa dia tu?
Ikut yang
Ikut yang?
atas tu
Ikut yang?
Yang one atas
Atas yang mana?
Sebelah 350 ml.
Yang ini pun boleh, yang ini pun boleh, mana-mana satu pun boleh untuk M. Yang ini untuk ni.
Teacher, kalau dah siap buat apa?
Tunggulah kejap, ya Allah. Kawan awak tengah salin ni. Can you wait first for a while? Your friends still writing. Lepas ni ada soalan lagi kita nak bagi. Tunggulah dulu. Wait first. Your friends are writing now. Can you wait? Kita tak habis kelas pun lagi. Ada lagi berapa minit lagi nak habis. Finish? Aduh.
Lagi 12 minit. Lagi 12 minit.
Ya.
Yes, teacher.
Another 12 minutes more. Alright.
Dah siap, teacher.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. So this is the answer. Teacher dah bagi jawapan dekat sini sebenarnya in the slide. Okay. Nanti after this, I will upload the slide and then you can refer to the slide lah. About the what is the answer and then the operation of doing it. Next. This one pun teacher dah bagi jawapan dah. Okay, next. I want to ask one by one. Okay, we start with Amira Hana. I will ask randomly what is the question answer. Amira Hana.
Teacher, may I go to toilet?
Go. Amira Hana, what is the answer here?
15 kg.
15. How do you know it's 15?
Because I have to divide 30 by 2.
Very good. You
So-
can get 15, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent. Good job, Amira Hana. Do you understand what I'm trying to... Awak faham tak apa teacher ajar? Faham
Teacher,
Yeah.
can I go to the toilet, please?
Okay. If you want to go toilet, just go.
Thank you.
Welcome. So second, how about second? I want Khalif Uzair to answer my questions. Khalif Uzair. Unmute yourself. Oh, Khalif Uzair. Hello, Khalif Uzair, are you there? Are you there, Khalif Uzair? Faris Arik, can you answer my question, please?
Teacher.
Yes. What is the answer for number 2? Try lah. Okay, kat sini 2,000 kan? Dekat sini banyak ke sikit? Less or more?
Banyak.
Banyak. So awak rasa banyak berapa banyak? 2,000 ni half from the... Okay, kita buat ni A, ni B kan? A ni half daripada B ke tak? Awak rasa it's half ke tak?
Tak.
Tak. Kalau dia tak half, awak rasa dia berapa? Dia lebih berapa?
Tak faham.
So,
Oh.
3. Okay? So,
Okay. So, divide by 3.
bukan divide. Dia kan banyak tu. Kalau banyak kena buat apa? Yes, Anu.
Kena-
Very good. Kena? Kalau banyak kena apa?
Kena
Darab ke bahagi?
times.
Faiz Arik, kena darab ke bahagi kalau banyak?
Times
Times. Very good. So, times with what?
3.
3. So, the answer is?
The answer is 6,000. Bukan.
Betul lah.
8,000. Oh, 6.
Oi,
Betul.
2 times 3, 6 lah. Bukan 8. Betul lah tu. 6,000. Confident je kata 8. Bukan. 6,000. Okay, next question. Yes, your answer is correct. Okay, now I want to ask Syamil. Hilang dah Syamil. Syamil, where are you? Abela. Zeti? Oh, Zeti. Where are you? Zeti. Okay, Zeti, can you answer these questions? Anu dah bagi jawapan. Anu, awak kena darab lah Anu, bukan bahagi. Kira betul-betul Anu. Zeti, what is the question? What is the answer, Zeti? Unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself. Okay. Zeti, this one is 400 kan? So how many boxes here? 1, 2.
5.
Okay, 5. So, what is the answer? 400 times by?
5.
Okay, equal to?
Wait, let me count.
Okay, I'm waiting.
4 times 5.
400 times by 5. Allah, this is so easy lah sayang. Macam ni je Awak kira how many zero? 1, 2. You just write 1, 2 here. 5 times 4 equal to? 4 darab 5 berapa Zati?
2.
5 pun tak ingat. 2?
5 times 4.
5 darab 4 berapa?
Ada uno.
Hey, sifir 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20. Ya Allah. 20 sayang. Sifir. Okay. I want to teach you one tips. If you don't remember how to memorize sifir, kalau awak tak ingat nak buat bersifir, for example dekat sini 5 kan? Betul? Betul Zati? 5, awak buat garisan macam ni. Awak buat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awak buat macam ni. And then awak buat 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first one kalau sifir 5. Kat sini awak letak 5, 5. And then after that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awak tulis je 10. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. You don't have to memorize. You just buat this teknik sahaja. Okay Zati? Boleh? Okay, nanti kita belajar teknik ni. Bagi awak senang sikit. 2,000. Okay, the answer is 2,000. Next question. I want to ask someone else. Okay, teacher nak panggil Anu lah. Anu yang selalu jawab soalan teacher. Anu. Oh, Anu. Unmute yourself please, Anu. Anu. Unmute diri awak, unmute. Awak mesej teacher boleh. Tak boleh unmute diri awak ke? Can you unmute yourself? Please. Bosan lah ajar primary 4 ni dah lah suka tutup kamera. Lepas ni teacher nak remove je lah siapa yang tutup kamera ni tak boleh masuk kelas teacher langsung. Muntazar, can you answer my question please? Okay, Muntazar, what is the answer for this one? Macam mana? This is 10,000. Yang ni
Saya tak tahu macam mana nak kira tapi saya tahu jawapan dia.
awak tengok jawapan kat belakang ke? Apa ini?
Tengok macam 5,000, 15,000.
Okay, kenapa dia tulis 5,000 dekat sini? Why it stated 5,000 here?
Dia macam house sikit je.
Kenapa? Why? It's because when you look at the picture, A ni is half from B. Ini B kan? Ini half. So kalau half 10,000 minus divide by 2, you can get 5,000 here. This one more. More what? More 500.
More 500. 5,000.
So 10,000 plus 5,000 equals to?
Equals 15,000.
That's why the answer is 15,000 here, and that's why the answer is 5,000
Yeah, jawapan
here.
kira tak betul.
Betul lah jawapannya. Ya Allah.
Lah jawapan betul kira tak betul saya.
Apa? Learn from mistake. It's okay. Never mind. Okay, so for the conclusion, estimation is something that we predict. We use prediction or estimation untuk kita kira sebelum kita nak buat ingredient, sebelum nak kira ingredient, sebelum kita nak buat expenses. And we can say the amount and value. If you don't know the value, you can just say it like this. Less than or more than. Contohlah, if you don't know anything, teacher, I don't know. You can just say less than or more than. Because it is only estimation. Awak agak-agak sahaja. Alright? So far clear with my explanation? Faham? Faham ke tak?
Faham.
Okay, faham.
Faham.
So, I want to ask you, do you have any questions so far? Ada nak tanya teacher? Soalan? So far clear with my explanation? So far clear tak apa
Yes,
kita ajar hari ni?
Faham.
Okay, I will upload the slide in
GC.
bukan GC, Biju Mustafa. Biju Mustafa dah boleh guna dah sekarang.
Oh dah boleh dah.
Kita kena sign in ke?
Macam biasa lah.
Primary 4.
Kita guna virtual Mustafa yang lama.
I think so lah. Kan ada, kan hari tu kan dia minta email kan?
nak login
Tak ada. Nanti
Ada
saya
lah.
tengok lah dekat mak saya.
Nanti kita tengok balik.
Nanti. Okay. Check balik. jawab
Teacher,
email.
kelas dah nak end.
Ya, nak end lah ni.
Yes,
Teacher nak end lah ni. Okay.
password 1234 Gmail.
Sekali lagi for those
your
yang tak reti nak buka kamera ni, I will call straightly your parents and ask about this one. Halif Uzair, Anu ni jawab soalan tapi bila teacher panggil tak nak jawab pula. Muaz, Akib, what happened? Izri langsung dah hilang dah, missing in action. Terbang dah dia pergi ke angkasawan. Okay, any question? Tak ada So far tak ada. Do you understand? Really understand? So I want you to recite Tasbih Kifarah Suratul As.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanakallah.
Umma wa
Wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Innal insana lafi khusr lallazina
amanu wa amilus
salihati wa tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bis sabr.
Amin amin ya rabbal alamin.
Aduh, bosan.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.